Open your first image in Photoshop and then go to File, Place, Embed it. And open the other image. Select it and click Place. And click and drag it to adjust the position like this. Align it to the bottom of the document and click right here, or double click in the middle of the photo to place it. Right click on the layer and choose blending options. Now where it says underline layer, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and position the mouse cursor to the left side of the slider. Now just click and drag like this, and you can see how the effect starts to appear. So drag it to somewhere here, and then click and drag the other part of the slider like this to something that you like, maybe here. Then click OK, and let's add from here, click and add levels adjustment layer. Let's make the image darker. Click and drag the blacks a little bit to the right. And also the white slider, drag them a bit to the left to add some more contrast. And for the grays, you can also adjust them. Let's keep them somewhere in the middle. And close this window. Now go to create a hue saturation adjustment layer. And let's increase the saturation. Let's go to master and choose science from here. So click here and change it to science and increase the saturation a bit more. So this only affects the light blue colors or the cyan. And let's add one more levels adjustment layer and choose, let's see which one is better. Increase contrast 1 or 2, whichever you like. Let's keep it here, and you can select the crop tool and crop the image closer to your subject. You can select the background layer and double click on it to convert it to a normal layer. Hold the Control key and click here to create a layer below it. And let's pick a gradient, G on your keyboard. Let's try the purples and select this one. So double click on it, choose a radial gradient and click and drag to create it. Select the layer with the guitar player and change its blending mode to overlay. And let's try to change the gradient, but first select the background layer and click and drag the gradient to a different direction. And let's reduce the layer opacity. Hold the Control key and click here again. This time with a layer below the background. Now go to edit fill and let's choose white for the contents and click OK. And we have this interesting effect now. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Damien Photoshop for more cool tutorials.